Okay, so here we go, another Essential RC flight test. This is the XK A430 aerobatic aircraft, like an Edge 540 from our friends at banggood.com. You get everything that you need in the box. You get the aircraft, actually, the RC plane, you get the flight battery that's in that, you get the transmitter, you get the charger for the flight battery as well. The only thing you don't get are the 4 AA's you need to put in the back of the transmitter. So the thing about this, it has 2 modes. It has this 6G mode for super stable flight, or the other 3D mode for more aerobatic flight. So under the 6G mode you don't get as much control, because if you're a relative beginner you don't need that. It tries to limit what the aircraft can do, like fly inverted for example, so there's less chance of you crashing it. But let's give it a go, see how it goes.
I reckon we're going to end up hand launching this. Something to give up. Oh, there we go. Hey! Found the animator. Tell you what, it's a bit blustery today, so that's doing quite well. Yeah, thanks, Tom. It's quite impressive you can do all those manoeuvres given how simple the controller looked, yeah. But it's clearly quite capable.
It does everything really. I mean, there's a little bit of breezy today. There we go. That's the XK A430, a lot of fun. So the link is in the video description to this product on banggood.com. Look it up, it's not a lot of money and you get everything that you need in the box, including the charger for the flight battery and the flight battery itself. You might want to buy another flight battery so you can have even more fun. But that's it for this Essential RC flight test. Thanks to Al for filming and commentary. Thank you, Al, and we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.